வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 3rd லெசன் ஜெயினிசம் புத்திசம் அண்ட் அஜ்விகா ஃபிலாசபி இன் தமிழ்நாடு. அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். வேர் வாஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஜெயின் கவுன்சில் ஹெல்ட் டு கோடிஃபை த ஜெயினா கனான்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ பாட்டாலிபுத்ரா இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். In which language was Agama Sutras written? Option A, Artha Magathi Prakrit is the correct answer. Which of the following was patronized by the Kalabras? Option B, Jainism is the correct answer. Where are the rock beds found with no headrest? Option A, Velur is the correct answer. Who is believed to have built the Kalugumalai rocket temple? Option B, Parantaka Nedunjadayan is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, the image of Das is considered to be the tallest Jain image in Tamil Nadu. Neminatha. Buddha Charitra was written by Asvagosa. Chinese traveler Huinsang visited Pallava country in Das century. 7th. Das describes Buddhism as a religion in decay. Mahendra Varma Matavilsa Prahansana. The Mayuryan Emperor Asoka and his grandson Dasaratha patronized Dash. Ajvikas. Next one, match the following. Kalpasutra, Bhadrabahu, Jivaka Sindhamani, Tirutanga Tevar, Neminada, 22nd Tiruthankara, Melinda Panha, Nagasina, Keelakuyilkudi, Madurai. Find out the odd one out. Tirupparuttrikundram, Keelakuyilkudi, Kalugumalai, Nagapattinam, Sittannavasal. The answer is Nagapattinam is the odd one. Assassin Gautama found that he had nothing to learn from the teachers of the old religions. Reason: the religions proclaimed that the only way to salvation was through living the life of an ascetic. The option A, assassin, is correct. Reason is the correct explanation of A. Option A is the correct answer. Find out the correct statement. During the 6th century BC, as many as 62 religious schools flourished in India. Palli is an educational center of Buddhist. Royal patronage allowed pre-Muslim India to become a land of viharas. The Ajvikas continued to exist till 15th century. The option A, first and third statement are correct statement. The option A is the correct answer. Find out the wrong pair. First one is the wrong pair. True or false? The 12th Agama Sutra is said to have been lost. True. Throughout his Ajvikas had a face persecution everywhere. True. Education was imparted in institutions of Jains irrespective of caste and creed. True. Nalanda, Taxila and Vikramasila against reputation as pilgrim centers. False. Buddhists faced challenges from Saiva and Vaisnava sects from the Chola period. False. Answer the following. Make a list of 5 great vows of Jainism. The great 5 vows of Jainism: non-violence, ahimsa, truth, satya, non-stealing, acharya, celibacy or chastity, brahmacharya, non-possession, aparigraha. What are the four noble truths of Buddha? Life includes pain, getting old, disease, and ultimately death. Suffering is caused by carving and aversion. Suffering can be overcome and happiness attained. True happiness and contentment are possible if one pursues the Eightfold Path. Explain the three divisions of Tripitaka. The Pali Canon Tripitaka has three divisions also known as threefold basket. They include Vijaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Vinaya Pitaka contains the rules of the order of Buddhist monks which must be observed for achieving purity of conduct. Sutta Pitaka lays down the principles of religion by the citing discourses of evidence. Abhidhamma Pitaka is the latest of Tripitaka. Highlight the importance of Sittanavasal. Sittanavasal cave in Pudukkottai district is located on the prominent rock that stands 70 meters above the ground. It has the natural cavern known as the Eladi at one end and the Rocket Cave Temple at the other. The largest of these ascetic beds contains the Tamil Brahmi inscriptions that dates to the 2nd century BC. The Sittanavasal Cave Temple, named Arivar Koil, lies on the west of the hillock. The facade of the temple is simple with 4 rocket columns, constructed in the early Pandya period in the 7th century AD. It has the hall in the front called the Artha Mandapam. Answer the following in detail. Enumerate the sources of the study of Jainism and Buddhism. Sources of Jainism. Mahavira's preaching was orally transmitted by his disciples over the course of about 1000 years. In the early period of Jainism, monks strictly followed the 5 great vows of Jainism. Even religious scriptures were considered possessions and therefore knowledge of the religion was never documented. 200 years after the death of Mahavira, Jain scholars attempted to codify the canon by convening an assembly at Pataliputra, but it ended as a failure. The second council held at Vallabhi in the 5th century AD was, however, successful. Over time, many learned monks older in age and rich in wisdom had compiled commentaries on various topics. Source of Buddhism. Buddha teaching for a long time were transmitted through the memory of teachers and disciples. They were reduced to writing by 80 BC and were written in the Pali language. The Pali Canon Tripitaka has 3 divisions also known as threefold basket. They include Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. Give an account of relics of Jainism and Buddhism that have come to the light in Tamil Nadu. Jainism in Kanjipuram. Jainism flourished during the Pallava region. The 2 Jain temples in Kanjipuram are Tirulokanatha Jinnaswamy temple at Tirupparikundram and the Chandraprabha temple dedicated to the Tirthankara named Chandraprabhu. Mural paintings in the temple show scenes from the lives of Tirthankaras. Kalugumalai Jain Rocket Temple. Kalugumalai Temple in Thoothukudi district marks the revival of Jainism in Tamil Nadu. Polished rocket cave beds, popularly known as Panjavar Padukkai at Kalugumalai Cavern, has the figures of Tirthankaras and also the figures of Yakshas and Yakshis. The Jain temples have also been excavated in the districts of Vellore, Thiruvannamalai and Madurai. Buddhism in Tamilagam. Buddhism is believed to have spread to the Tamil country by the Ceylonese missionaries. The monuments are in caverns known as the Panjapandava Malai. Chudamani Vihara of Nagapattinam was constructed by the Sri Vijaya king with the patronage of Rajaraja Chola. In the field of education, Buddhist sanghas and viharas served as the center of education. Nalanda, Taxila and Vikramasila gained reputation as the great educational centers. Describe the essence of Ajvika philosophy and its presence of Tamil Nadu. Ajvika believed in the doctrine of karma, transmigration of the soul, and determinism. Ajvika practiced asceticism of severe type. Ajvika religious order and school of philosophy known as the Vedic hymns, Brahmanas, Aryankas, and other ancient Sanskrit compilations. Throughout history, Ajvikas had to face persecution everywhere. Village communities under Pallavas, Cholas, and Hosalas imposed special taxes on them. Despite such obstacles, Ajvikas continued to have influence along the Pala River in the modern states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Velur, Kanjipuram, and Tiruvallur district till about the 14th century. In the end of they seemed to have been absorbed to Vaishnavism. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.